God will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Every believer is a road maker. If you are a chosen one of God, one who received Holy Spirit from God, he is a road maker for the coming generations. So you need to face some special challenges to make others' journey easy. Sometimes we need to climb mountains, need to go through slippery floors. But remember, God will allow that temptation, the circumstance. At the same time, He will protect you to give you enough strength to help the future generations. So don't get desperate in your troubles or persecutions or difficulties, because you are a blessing.